Welcome to Indira Gandhi Dental College Lecturecast, Department of Public Health Dentistry. Today's topic is about mobile dental clinic. Content: Introduction, features, needs, target population, goals and objectives, partnership in providing, specification, designs, some mobile dental clinics, advantages and disadvantages, conclusion. Introduction: Over the ages, oral health care has been delivered to the community in different ways. In India, about 35% of the population live in urban areas and the rest in rural areas. But 70% of dentists practice in urban areas, and in rural areas we find few government establishments which lack the required infrastructure. The mobile clinic is used primarily when oral health care is to be delivered in small pockets of patients that are scattered over a specific geographic locations. The mobile clinic generally is packed at a facility such as school, residential facility, or community center. Features: Although the initial cost is not as much as the fixed facility, maintenance costs are higher. Useful life is shorter than fixed facility. They require water and waste disposal methods. They require generator on board to provide electricity. Needs: What population need our services and where are they located? What are their oral health needs? What are the barriers that prevent them from accessing care in the current delivery system? What providers and staffs are needed? What equipment will be the most cost effective and meet the service needs? What financing and fundings are available, and what sources of income can be generated to develop the program and make it sustainable? Target population: low income individuals or families, isolated or very rural population, very young children, persons in residential care facilities, people who are bedridden, very frail, or receiving hospital services at home, persons with a variety of special healthcare needs, migrant and seasonal workers, people who are homeless or temporarily displaced. Goals and objectives: Once you decide on the population you wish to serve and you know something about their oral health needs, outline your goals and the outcome you would like to achieve. Be clear about your motivation for wanting to create a program. It is also important to think carefully about the impact of the program. Partnership in providing: help you better understand local needs and assist. Build the necessary political will for funding and establishment of your program. Identify and track patient eligibility for services. Gain consent for services and schedule appointments. Communicate with other healthcare providers or support services. Acquire feedback for patients and the community to evaluate the program. Market and sustain the program over time. Goals of individuals who could potentially be partners are government, community, education, providers, public, third party payers, policy, higher professional education. Specifications of mobile dental clinic: The mobile dental clinic should be equipped with two dental chairs with all attachments and seating space for at least 15 to 20 people. Equipments to be fitted inside the clinic: dental chair, operating light, dental x-ray unit, autoclave, glass bead sterilizer, metal cabinets with wash basin, portable dental unit, stabilizer, generator, water tank, oxygen cylinder, public address system, TV and DVD player, health education models. Some mobile dental clinics across the smile. It is a 40-foot long truck which is used for providing education, preventive care, restorative care, case management, screening, and assistance for dental insurance applications. Smile to Go. It is a 65-foot articulated tractor trailer which is used for providing dental care for school children, dental care at a community sites. Molar Express. It is 30 feet Winnebago van which is used for providing dental services to the children of 17 schools. This is the arrangement of mobile dental clinic. Advantages and disadvantages of mobile dental clinic. Advantages: moderate startup costs. It addresses the problem of transportation to the clinics. It decreases missed appointments when run in conjunctions with schools. Services can be made available at multiple sites. Services are made available to the needy population. Disadvantages: high maintenance cost, difficult to access and store patients' record, provides limited services, and follow up may be difficult, requires permission for site use, difficult to use during monsoon. Conclusion: fully equipped mobile dental clinic to provide effective dental care to the doorsteps of the unprivileged rural populations is the need of the hour. The focus should be on reducing the major disparities in oral health status and inequities in access to oral health care while providing the highest caliber of dentistry for patients in a highly effective manner. The key to a successful dental practice is a cohesive dental team, which will create an atmosphere of cooperation resulting in the achievements of the goal of oral health all at least by year of 2020. Thank you.